Markstone is to in life, or unless you're watching it from Train for Markstone. Just at Peak Vale, Rowsley, Darlingdale, Peak Vale, Derbyshire, Matlock, Derbyshire, say, England, United Kingdom. Since last time I came, they had an army event going off, and I was like, they've been moving a couple of stuff about. So I got some more photos with some diesels and steam running on the turntable. There's a couple of problems with some tracks where it keeps going down, so it needs like some more stones. Like they got some stones there, they got some shovels, they got stuff. Some on the sleepers, or you have to lift it out to fix it. I did tell one at staff, but I think he was bothered, but it seems like he was too busy what we were doing. Steam one coming back in. But yeah, some memories here when my granddad and my uncle. It's still going, but it's been some timing. But yeah, times that I've been on there. Since I painted a little bit, but it looks cleaner. They got a little diesel just up front and made that little blue one. But yeah. But yeah, they got plenty of stones to put on it, some sleepers. Because it's like mainly like what I'm walking to now. Where you see those points there on tracks. Like that, but a bit more where that train is. It's mainly there. But these little diesels, it reminds me of watching those fake YouTube videos where I keep seeing where they put people thought trains in drive and then get out on it and quickly run down the road and make it like it look like a ghost train moving it. Yeah, say for example like them what trying that train, they probably put that in a bit slower. The electric train come quickly run down there and go like, oh, ghost train. It's like, you don't have to fake it. But then if you look at the old videos, you see like, oh yeah, they found it, they fixed it, they repaired it, they're driving it. And it's like, see, you don't have to fake it. And then when it comes to like weeks or months like that, like people going fake, and then they delete the comments. There's the steam coming down. Walk up that way. Didn't get a chance to get this one. Yeah, but I know some people do really like that just to say, just to make them more content and saying, oh look, get people to say it and say, look at this train moving on its own. Catherine. Yeah. That one's gonna probably come over here. Probably that's gonna go 90 around. See if it's in that way, it'll be the other way. Right guys, see you soon. Follow for more.